Here's Sebastian rocking out to Timmy's in the well. What?
That's what I was saying. I was like, I thought you were dropping us off right there.
Anytime, Martha.
Do you want to go to the carnival?
Well, if he does, he have to walk. Go drop your truck off.
Drop your truck off and go to the carnival with us. Come on.
Alright, well, let's get out. He's not gonna go.
That's bullshit.